Now that you've seen the Unyted Tower, let's explore its core features. This video will cover the basics of the platform. We'll delve deeper into some more complex features in separate tutorials. Look at the bar below your screen. Here you'll find 7 icons offering different, various functionalities. Camera and video. These icons allow you to toggle your camera and microphone on or off. Interactions. This feature lets you express yourself through animations and emojis. You can wave, clap, dance, send hearts, or give a thumbs up to others. Before we explore the editing tool, let's introduce the asset library. This library allows you to personalize spaces by adding decorations. You'll find a wide range of pre-made assets or the option to upload your own media. We'll cover the asset library in more detail in the next video. The editing tool works hand in hand with the asset library. It allows you to move, rotate, or scale any object within the space. Additional functionalities like spinning and renaming objects will be explained in a future video. Sticky notes. Create sticky notes by typing a message, choosing a color, and posting it. You can even pin them to specific wall assets. Demonstration in next video. Chat feature. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the chat feature, allowing you to communicate with everyone in the space, regardless of the zone or the distance. Participant list. This list shows everyone currently in the space with you. If some users are in private zones, they will be grouped separately. Stars next to names indicate user roles, admins, hosts, or moderators. These roles come with additional options which we will explore next. Mute participants. For admins, hosts, and moderators only. You can mute individual users, mute users within a specific zone, or mute everyone in the space. Broadcast message. For admins only. This option enables admins to send a message to everyone in the space. Perfect for gathering users for a presentation. Simply type your message and hit send. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into the asset library and explore how to edit your chosen objects.